rectangular living and the dining area. So huge and spacious kitchen area. Once you enter, you can check out the uniqueness by the flooring itself. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at DRA iHeart, which is located in Siroseri, Chennai, a project developed by DRA Homes. And today we are here to check out their 4 BHK plus maid room model flat. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So basically this project will be constructed on total 3.42 acres of land parcel consisting of single tower with basement ground plus 19 floors having exclusive 3 and 4 BHK sea facing apartments. Now let's discuss about the amenities part. This project provides you world-class amenities. So let me show you through this 3D model. So basically this is a multi-level car parking. Here's the half basketball court, cricket pitch, multi-purpose court, kids play area, landscape garden. Project will be having grand clubhouse and many more amenities in the project. Now coming to the location part, and the project is located bang on OMR Road in Siroseri, Chennai. Let's discuss about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Siroseri metro station in just 1 minute. TCS is just 2 minutes away from the project, and even you can connect to Marina Mall in 2 minutes from the project. So now let's enter towards your model flat of 4 BHK plus maid room of 2855 square feet super built up area. So basically they are providing with the lobby area before the main entrance. So let's enter. Now before entering, let me show you, here's a digital door lock for your security purpose. And once you enter, again here's a foyer area for your privacy purpose. And let's enter towards your spacious and beautiful rectangular living and the dining area. So this is the part of your living area where you can set your sofa set in front of the TV unit space. Now exactly beside this, you can add up your dining table. So this is a huge dining area where you can set your huge dining table, which has a connecting balcony as well. Here's a balcony with wooden finishing anti-skid tiles, toughened glass railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered, and this balcony is much more spacious where you can enjoy the perfect city view. And additionally, you can modify this balcony. You can even add up a jacuzzi and customize it. Now let's move further towards your kitchen area. So with the easy access to your dining area, they have provided a kitchen area right here. And this is your huge and spacious kitchen area where you can add up a U-shaped platforms like this. Here's a window that they are providing for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area. Additionally, this side is your utility area for a machine provision, and it has connected maid room as well right here, which has connecting washroom, the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Once you move out, on my right hand side is a storage area, the storage room. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space, but before that let me show you the common washroom, that is a powder room. So this is a powder room with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving further towards your bedroom number 1. So right here is your bedroom. So once you move in, this is your bedroom. You can check out with a huge bed space over here. There is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. A TV unit space which you can add up. And here's your wardrobe set. So you can add up your wardrobe here as well. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 2. So you have to cross your dining area, and exactly in front of it is your bedroom number 2, and basically The interior can speak out for itself because it's a kid's bedroom. And you can check out how beautifully this room is being made. With the bed space over here, the wardrobe is set over here. There's a 2 window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here's a study table which you can add up for your kids. It has attached washroom as well, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now after the washroom, we'll be moving towards your bedroom number 3. So right here, next to this bedroom, here's your bedroom. And once you move in, again you can check out the huge bed space that they are providing. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, again a full flex window, and TV unit space which you can add up in front of the bed space as well. Here's the attached washroom, but before that, this is the space where you can add up your cupboards. Attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. This washroom is much more spacious. You can have a look at it. Now I know you guys are waiting for the master bedroom, but before that, let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location of each and every project. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering on www.housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So for that, again you have to pass from your living area, and right here is your master bedroom. So once you enter, you can check out the uniqueness by the flooring itself. Here's the wooden finishing flooring with a huge bed space, and this is the most beautiful and the most spacious room of the house. And again here you can check out the huge window space for your ventilation and lighting purpose, with wardrobe space and attached washroom. With anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings, again the bathing area is separated via tile drop. Now as you all know, we are here in Surrey City location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you are looking for more details of the project, you can visit our website www.housey.com. And lastly, do not forget to like, follow, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.